Hello, you beautiful gem. Today I'm making an LED display sign. I sent my mom my logo and she cut it out on her Cricut. If you don't know someone with the Cricut, you can have someone make you one off of Etsy. So after we went ahead and got the name cut out, then I laid down a layer of contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree. Once we peeled the contact paper off, then we went ahead and laid it down on the acrylic and smoothed it out and peeled it. Then we went ahead and took off the backing off the other side of the acrylic, cut the top and bottom because it was too wide with this little blue tool, and then after that slapped 4 layers of paint on it. Once we were done with the paint, then we went ahead and prepared the LED lights. I used the entire sheet of 16 feet of LED lights, and after putting it on there, then we went ahead and plugged it up. And so this LED light in particular is voice activated. There's many different modes, but right here I was talking. So this is voice activation. And yeah, if you like it, if you want to see more, definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe. And any questions you have, drop them in the comments. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.